Welcome! A significant portion of the course material you'll be working with comes directly from the College of Nurses of Ontario, or CNO. The CNO is the regulatory body for nursing practice in Ontario, and its website is an essential resource for both students and practicing nurses. In this short video, you'll get a brief overview of the CNO website and a highlight of the sections you'll be using most often in this course. When you first visit the CNO website, you'll notice several main navigation tabs across the top, including What is the CNO? Protect the Public, Become a Nurse, Standards and Learning, Quality Assurance, and Maintain Your Membership. From the navigation tabs, you'll see that the site contains information for the public, employers, and nurses at all stages of practice, including students. For our purposes, we'll focus on two main areas: Standards and Learning and Quality Assurance. The Standards and Learning section is the most important area for this course. Here, the CNO outlines the professional expectations that guide nursing practice in Ontario. Within Standards and Learning, you'll spend considerable time becoming familiarized with the Standards and Guidelines section. As the CNO website states, practice standards outline the expectations for nurses that contribute to public protection. They inform nurses of their accountabilities and the public of what to expect of nurses. The standards apply to all nurses regardless of their role, job description, or area of practice. Practice guidelines, meanwhile, address specific practice-related issues and help nurses understand their responsibilities and how to make safe and ethical decisions in their practice. For each of these standards and guidelines, multiple resources exist, including readings, videos, as well as exercises. In short, this section provides you with the professional resources you need now and will continue to use in practice. Also within Standards and Learning is the Educational Tools section. This area includes learning modules, videos, webcasts, and case-based resources developed by the CNO to support understanding and application of the standards and guidelines. In this course, you'll regularly be directed to specific resources from both these sections. These resources are designed to help translate standards and guidelines into real-world nursing situations and support your clinical judgment. Another section you'll sometimes refer to in this course is Quality Assurance, or QA. The Quality Assurance section outlines how nurses are expected to maintain competence throughout their careers. It includes information about self-reflection, learning plans, and ongoing professional development. As noted, while you won't explore this section in as much depth as Standards and Learning, it's important for understanding your responsibilities as a regulated health professional and how reflective practice supports safe, ethical care. So, in closing, you are encouraged to bookmark the CNO website and return to it often even after completing this course, as it is one of the most important professional resources you will use as a nurse.